Welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today is fourth day of my sourdough starter tutorials. 3 days we've been making this starter, and then today is pretty much same as the third day. We're gonna add water and flour and then let it rise. Sourdough starter usually takes 5 to 7 days to be able to make bread. So we're gonna keep continuing, maybe day 5 or 6, we'll see how the starter is going. But as of today, I noticed that the water is separating from the flour. So flour was sitting on the bottom of the starter. You may have noticed that. It was a little runny. So today we're gonna change something because bread making is all about the feeling. When you got this starter, and if it's runny, then add a little bit of flour. If it's too hard, then add a little water. So that's how I go. So we're gonna change a little bit than before to see. I just want to get the feeling of the sourdough starter that the way I used to do. But this one that is we experimenting it together. This is what I noticed. So we're gonna go to our starter. I'm gonna tell you what I have done to prepare for this tutorial. Because it's a fourth day. If you keep continue to adding flour and water 5 to 7 days, this little ball is gonna fill out. So I measured it. I took the half of it. I mixed it because the water part was separating from the flour on the top. So I mixed it all together very well. Then I pour half of it on this bowl because this is just too much. So we're gonna continue with the half. So this is by cup, it's a 2/3 cup. And then by measuring the metric on a scale, it's 150 grams. So let's add the water. It's a 1/4 or quarter cup of water, then 1/3 cup of flour. And we're going to change something here today. I'm gonna add more flour on this one. I'm gonna add 1 more spoonful of flour on top of a 1/3 cup of flour. So I'm gonna see how it's gonna feel, because I just told you it's all about feeling. If you not using the scale, sometimes you measure flour packed or soft, it might turn out different. But I'm trying to get that feeling that I normally get from my sourdough starter. Okay, so this is a little bit thin, so I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon flour. Okay, I'm gonna use. There you go. I want to see how it's gonna feel. So 1 tablespoon flour is 10 grams. So I'm gonna add 20 grams. So this is the little thicker. It's getting there. So I'm gonna just wait and see until tomorrow. But it's getting there. The thickness is getting there. So I'm gonna mix it and let it rise. Okay, so that's the measured by cup. But this one, I measured 50 grams of water. I pre-measured 60 grams of flour, but I'm gonna add 10 more grams because I added 2 tablespoons on the other one. So I'm gonna turn on my scale. It was about 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna let it rise another 24 hours. There we go. Okay. I'm sure it's gonna come out about the same as the measured by cup. Yeah, it's getting nice and thick. It's getting there. Okay, so that's how it looks like. The thickness, it's getting quite thick. So if you're doing the following the day 1 to 3, you might get a result with runny. So it's okay, just continue mixing. On a day 4, just add a little bit of flour. Take the half off and add a little bit of flour, and then we're gonna come back in 24 hours. Thank you for watching.